The Office of Customs and Tax Administration, FSM, would like to remind the general public, especially the business community, that first quarter tax returns for the month of January, February, and March is due from April 1st to April 30th, 2020. Please come to the FSM Customs and Tax Administration Pohnpei Field Office in Colonia Martin Enterprises Building and file your tax returns on time to avoid penalties and interest. Management of FSM Department of Finance and CDA Pohnpei Field Office would like to extend our sincere appreciation to those businesses that voluntarily file their tax returns on time. The office kindly requests that the non-filers come and file their tax returns to prevent unnecessary action in the future. Our office hours are from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. from Monday to Friday. For an inquiry, please feel free to contact the Customs and Tax Administration Office at phone number 320-5508 or 320-2350, or you can email us at cdapni@yahoo.com. Thank you. Pagkairong pambil sawang sansan ni Masan and Pohnpei, pagkairong may pakon, Sabulmachain Office and Customs and Tax Administration, FSM, Pachawang yata, men kapesewaj, kung kasaman ko may paganan Pohnpei, at melen na sabulman kita chungunan ka business, Mechaptan April lele April silisakan pari agatriyestak, awaya sampungan robochen taxes kan, ang kayuan quarter, May, robochen sampungan ng January, February, March, and pari agatriyestak. Na kung yaman may sabulman kita chungunan ka business, kung kapurkalangan o kachto ni Yabaswaj, kung yan na palyata sabulman robochen taxes kan. Pwailan taxes kan anane na kwenta mo April lele April silisak and parwach reagatriyesak pokomo tapayan isaisan pantan report the pakin kan mabamiya. Office and Customs and Tax Administration nan pachangunwaya aray chungan kaping choror ang ray business kan makapayata pokon report and taxes kan nan sompong maklalati. Office watch mentolache o pakiray business kan, masaikin che o socha kan report ke taxes kan, and kuperkalangan kach tapachoto, apaliyata ko kasampal watch. Sabul mamayan kupuran na church, mapan kapayata, sabul machail kailtan way. Office watch pacho Colonia niyan Martin Enterprise Building o kailangatang way pakon, sangklok walwalat ni mensang Leglok tayo walag ni Sonchik. Takong kagan email ang ctapni@yahoo.com. Iren kalalabak kayo ng mga kan kung kagan masan lang ni nagpen telepon Siluriao 0-5-5-0 o Siluriao 0-Riao Siluriao 0. Pagkaiwag sang management. Okay, saglaan pa kayo makulangan sa lang Chonway, pan sang ni Office and FSM Social Security Pohnpei Branch. Sang nakaw ng pensomawan COVID-19 o kanini and paintare so mawaj, pagkairwaj pinmen sa karagway pakon at melet irailakan may office watch kin pachawan sabi song, may schedule sabi sa napali ananakan, uyautar, Wayet, Kosanti, and Schedule Cup, Mapit Service Kan, and Social Security. Niyet, Yautan Claim Cup, o Irokoros Mapit Claim. Niyare, Irekan Mapit, Irailakan, Mapin Kachikimun Sompong, o Irasocha Libilibil Kan, Mapit Service and Claim, o School Certification Kan, Men Katete Pensari Kan, Makan Pachawan Imun Sompong. Niyasin, sabi sa allotment cup, takaw ti allotment, uwag taglana trust kan, te account nempe kan, mesoni min sompong kan, kin kupurke. Niya bang sabisan sa wasaway pakwan o irekan vapit social security tax o kalalapangkan. O niyalan sabisan mo yata social security card ng pekan, out-outan application and SS card ng pekan, sabisan mo yata employer ID ng pekan, o sabisan mo katala required and run in putikan, tesapungan spare and maramoy non-everson social security system. Sabes kan koras mesan saler pawe, yay magchay ban katsiyang lale, o chapyata ngan so pungan April riya katriya sa pachola. Kalanganan ko koras o pakairwat sang everson social security phone pay branch.